What's up? It's your girl Raquel, aka Lilcutenurse. How y'all doing? What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I have my Sephora play box for March and my Face Factory box for the Face Story. I don't know why I be saying Face Factory. It's Face Story box for this month. We'll just jump into the Face Story first, okay? Because it looks like, because I was watching videos, it looks like everybody got a different play box this month. So I don't know if y'all get the box. Let me know if y'all get something different than what I did. You know, as usual, these come wrapped in this little thing that I've already unwrapped. And again, I got the March 7 Luxe. I always get the 7. It's $20 for 7 masks. So, and they last me all month. So I still got, no, one. I'm finna say 2, but I got 1 left from last month. And that's the one with the 2 hearts. I said I was going to use 1 in the morning, 1 at night. I'm going to do that on Saturday. Okay, the first mask I see in here is the, Bearsome Water Bomb Jelly Mask. It has grapefruit extract, lime fruit extract, and peppermint leaf extract. I think I'm going to use this one tonight. Pore Care Mask with Jelly Essence. Controls the moisture and refine pores. Yeah, I'm going to use this one tonight. The next one I see is the Ochre Buckle Up the Pore Sheet Mask. It has witch hazel extracts. I cannot say that. Pulsatilla, Korean extracts, and honey extract. I'm gonna let y'all see this so y'all can see it yourself. Okay, that's the extract that's in here. Something from Korea. And what does this do? Okay, buckle up the pore sheets for pores. Mask will be at work to make sure your pores are ready to conquer the day. And the next one is you found it. Frenvita, the Perfect Skin Adhesion White Gold Glow Mask. Wow, uncover a pot of gold with the Frenvita White Gold Glow Mask. It has niacinamide, yuzu fruit extracts, and gold. Provides anti-aging benefits by supplying high amounts of moisture and a natural glow. Wait a minute. Although it may not be a real pot of gold, the effects of this sheet mask will make you feel like you just found a box of treasure. Okay, that's for glowing. Okay. And the next one is the Renplatz Green Tea Hyaluronic Acid Mask. It has green tea, hyaluronic acid, centilla, and porticula. Okay, here y'all go. That's what's in it. See them words? And the next mask is AC Insabine, INSBY, Insabine AC Calming System Mask. Take a breath. Take a breather through the busyness of life as you can take a step back and relax with an AC Calming System Mask. Has green tea, tea tree, and aloe. Okay. You would thought it was a coconut or something, right? That's what that looks like to me. But okay. I like the ingredients in all of these masks so far. And then this one. Oh wait, yeah. It's a eucalyptus mask. Y'all see that? Smell the aroma of eucalyptus as you take in all the goodness of this multifacial beneficial sheet mask. This sheet mask uses eucalyptus leaf oils traditionally used in Australia to make you feel like nature is right at your door. Sodium hydronate, raspberry fruit extract, and eucalyptus. And the last mask look like a green tea smoothie. I mean, for real. It really does. That's what it looks like. It's SM Pre Fresh Vita Hydrating Step 2 Mask. Yum. Doesn't this package just make you want to blend up a fresh cup of juice? Didn't I just say that, y'all? Didn't I just say that? But it has tea tree extracts, tea tree extracts, green grape extracts, panthenol, raspberry, and raspberry fruit extracts. Okay, wow, well, you have the perfect complement to your juice, the Fresh Vita Hydrating 2-step mask. Okay, so this one is for hydration. Maybe I'll use this one tonight. The mask is on this side. You can see it through the paper, but there's nothing on there. So I guess you kind of mix this. How do you, let me see. Let me take one more minute, y'all. See how you use this. Turn the mask around to face the back side and turn once so that the dotted lines are vertical. Fold the right and left sides on the dotted line. Fold the top portion containing the essence and push down into the liquid. Pops into the sheet mask. Unfold evenly. Oh, you have to pop it like this. I guess you pop it like that so the two will mix in there and get on the mask. Okay, that's interesting. That's interesting. Okay, let's move on. I've been talking, what, 6 minutes about these masks. I really like these sheet masks. I just do. If I'm gonna pay $6 for one mask, I might as well go ahead and get 7 of them for $20. That's just the way I see it. And I do use sheet masks at least 5 times a week. I still do 5. When I run out of the ones I got from Walmart, you know, that big stack I got from Walmart for like 50 cents, I'm probably gonna break it down to 2 times a week until them gone. But while I'm still here, at least 5 times. Oh, I'm looking for the box and it's right here in my face. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got the play 50. I never get my 50 points. I'm going to get my 50 points this weekend. Oh, am I? I don't think I am. Maybe I will, because I want to go pick up that, I want to go try it. I don't know if I should. Haven't seen a lot of videos on it, but that new, I don't know why I'm picking this up. It Cosmetics. Is it a BB cream or some kind of moisturizer, foundation moisturizer? I want to get that, and if I get that, I'll do a video on it. Well, I guess I'll do the haul first. Yeah, I'm gonna go get it tomorrow and use my points, and then we'll do a haul. I got some other stuff I already got. I'm done with Sephora this month after I go get that foundation. Okay, anyway, this is Festival of Beauty Vibe. That's what this month is, the Festive of Beauty. And I already see I didn't get one thing I wanted, which was that Bustum Full On lip gloss. This is the bag. Of course, it's been everywhere, floating all over the net. It is a cute bag, but I'm really running out of stuff to do with these bags. I'm just gonna pour it out. And of course, I got the Stay All Day waterproof liner, which I have. I think this is like the 3rd one of these I got. Not only from here, but from Ipsy before I canceled. I think I got one at Ipsy, or was it just, I don't know. Or it could have been a point perk. I don't know, but I know I have one of these. And I like it, so I'm not mad about it. And the next thing in here is, I've gotten this in my box before too. This is a Setting Mist Broad Spectrum of SPF of 50 by Supergoop. I don't know. Yeah, this is it. Spray is real light, but it says SPF 50. I think I used this before makeup and then after makeup, because it says you have to reapply it every 2 hours. So I still use my same SPF, because if I need it every 2 hours, that's not doing a lot for me. And then the next thing I see in here is this Hydrating Hair Balm by IGK. A nourishing leave-in condition that boosts your hair's hydration and shine. Frizz free style. I ain't gonna have no frizz, no way. But it's real thin, if y'all wondering what it looks like. Probably not for nappy hair, I'm sure. This ain't my hair, so we can't tell on this. Let's see. The next thing I got in here is this. It's tiny. Bobbi Brown Extra Illuminating Balm. A moisturizing balm that energizes tired skin. Oh, can y'all see that, or was I too far away? Okay, where was I at? The energizes. It instantly brightens, energizes, and illuminates light reflecting curls. Smooth a pea-sized amount over clean, dry skin before applying makeup. Okay. Bobbi Brown Extra. Oh yeah, that's got some shine in there. And it's a golden shine. I don't know if I need that. I don't want my face looking oily. Okay, I got 2 more things to go, y'all. We'll be done with this video. I got the Greek Yogurt Foam Cleansing. Oh, okay, this is by Course. Greek Yogurt Foam Cream Cleanser. Okay, a luxurious cream to foam cleanser that contains skin-loving Greek yogurt. Okay, this is okay. I'm happy about this, but I'm still mad I didn't get the Bucks. I'm just saying. I got almost all of those. Of course, I'd have been happy with a mini. Okay, I guess it needs a little water to foam up. And it smells like it's doing something cleansing. It's not a nice scented smell. And the last thing in here is Battle of the Strands. I got this Amika Nourishing Mask. A deep conditioning mask that hydrates and repairs damaged strands while adding major shine. Deeply conditioned, repairs damage, and increases shine. Well, that would be a wonderful soul food nourishing mask so my hair can be shining underneath my wigs. I'm just saying. Okay, y'all, that's the end of my boxes for this month. I don't know. This box was my face wear box, they're always on point. I canceled my Ipsy box. If y'all didn't get the memo, I'm over Ipsy bag, Ipsy box. I'm over it. So this is what we have. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I will catch you guys in the next video, which will probably be either tomorrow or Saturday. It depends on what time I get off tomorrow. If I get off early tomorrow, I'm gonna run Sephora because I want to get that I told y'all what it was, the It Cosmetic Moisture Foundation. And I might as well wait till I get that so I can throw that in the haul. Alright, talk to y'all later. Stay blessed. Until the next time I see you. Bye, my friends.